Tips and Trick Real Cricket channel. Today we will see what are the different types of spin bowling in cricket. Here see that there is a Rashid Khan and his bowling skill. There are many bowling skill like right arm leg break spinner, which is bowled by the leg spinner, right arm off break spinner, which is bowled by the off spinner, left arm Chinaman spinner, which is bowled by the left hander, and left arm orthodox spinner, which is bowled by the left hand bowler. Here see the Shane Warne right arm leg spinner and leg break bowler, commonly referred to as right arm legs. There are two types of bowler like right arm leg or wrist spinner. The spinner tend to move the ball away from the right hander while it come into the left hander. When the ball moving from the batsman, it is called as the leg spinner for the right hand batsman. The speed may vary from 70 to 95 kmph kilometer per hour. And there is a off spinner bowler. Here the pic showing the Muthaiya Muralidharan right arm off break spinner bowler. The speed can vary from 70 to 95 kmph, and the techniques of this bowling are different for different bowling techniques, which is useful for the batsman and taking the wickets. And there is another pick of Brad Hogg, left arm Chinaman spinner bowler bowling from the left hand side. This spinner are leg break bowler bowling the leg spin, which can bowl from 70 to 95 kmph. There is no specific explanation that exists about this date. There is this type of bowler are very much less, and we have to be very much expert to play this kind of bowling. Now here there is a left arm orthodox spinner, which is also called left arm off spinner bowling, like Daniel Vettori bowling this type of bowling. They are most effective in longer format of the game, as they have tendency to toss the ball more and generate enough flight, confusing the batsman. These are the bowling techniques of different types of spinner bowler. Thank you, friend. Now in further we can notice about the different types of spin bowling in cricket. What are? Now we can see in the images of types of spin bowling. First one is the off arm ball. Arm ball is very difficult, and we have to detect this technique. For finding this type of bowling is very difficult. The arm ball is a variety of bowling by the correct arm spinner or a moderate left arm standard bowler. In this variety, the ball doesn't move clear the pitch apparently, rather it pursues the direction of the arm, sequentially the name arm ball. Because this is born from the arm side and the pursues the direction of the arm, subsequently the name called as arm ball. An arm ball is bowled by moving one's finger over the side of the ball, which is bowled by the fingers only. That's why this is called as the arm ball. Another kind of arm ball utilizes the best owing of the same thing into the convenience. In this strategy, the ball is held in a grasp, and that is like a crease bowler conveyor without the thumb. The bowler is then bowled like a regular swing conveyor. Spinner like Graeme Swann, Shakib Al Hasan, Daniel Vettori have utilized this type of arm bowling to extraordinary impact. Now there is a second type of bowling, dusra of off spin bowling tips. This type of bowling is extremely normal variety utilized by the off spinner, designed by the Pakistani spinner Shakil Mushtaq. The dusra means to baffled the batsman, turning towards the path inverse to the conventional off break. This causes the confusion in the mind of the batsman. The hold of the dusra is equivalent to the standard off spinner grasping, but is at the hour it is arrival of the ball the back of the your hand outside to look toward the leg umpire, and the finger turn the ball like the off break. As we know, the off break bowler can bowl the off spin, but the dusra causes the position of the bowling to the leg spin. This causes confusion in the batsman mind. The main thing that changes the contrast with the typical convenience of the adjustment in the wrist position, which makes the ball finding the ball variation is difficult. Aside the Saklian Musaq, player like Muralidharan, Harbhajan Singh, Johan Botha, Saeed Ajmal has utilized this type of dusra bowler with great impact. Now there is a googly leg spin very commonly ball using a leg spinner adaptation of the dusra. Much of the same of the dusra twist toward a path inversely to the customer off break. This type of bowling is creator is Bernard Bosanquet. The grasp of the googly is equivalent to the ordinary legs turn convenience. One of the compatible, there's a googly has more bounce and spin, which causes the confusion in the batsman mind. Shane Warne, Anil Kumble, Danish Kaneria are the portion of the leg turn bowler which have incredibly this type of googly bowling. Now this is one of the difficult types of bowling because this type of bowling bounce very less. Flipper is utilized by the leg spinner by Clark Girment, which is the founder of this bowling. It is the main leg turn conveyance that has a variety of grasp, and it is touted to be the most troublesome type of bowling and can bowl in an assortment of ways. The hold is like crease bowler with two finger on the top and the thumb at the base. This is the position of bowling this type of flipper balls. The bowler squeezes the thumb and index finger and the ball out to the turn to the clockwise ways. This produces reverse pivot on the ball, and the ball just rushes toward the batsman with more noteworthy pace than anticipated with the low cap skip. It doesn't turn much, causes the disturbance and confusion in the batsman mind. Shane Warne, Anil Kumble, Brad Hogg uses this type of bowling. Now this is the carom ball. Is a one of the most difficult compared to the flipper and carom ball. This ball is also very much difficulty in playing. Now it is a innovation of Australian Jack Everson who established and developed this type of bowling, and this is very much used by the Ajanta Mendis in his younger age, which is very much difficult for many batsmen to play this type of bowling. The Ravichandran Ashwin Sunil Narine also use this type of bowling, as the middle of the thumb, index finger and center finger uses this type of bowling. This ball is discharged by snapping and flicking the finger in a manner that the carom player flicking the striker. The grasping position toward the offside and the ball turned off to leg, this and the other way around. This causes the confusion in the mind of the batsman. The carom ball could be likewise travel straight, but contingent upon the degree of the ball, how much the ball is spinning. Along this, the carom ball is without a doubt in ridicule the convenience, as the ball can kill manners of ordinary spinner turn the ball, and another way customary leg spinner turns the ball, or not the by any means. These are the bowling tricks which are used by the different types of spinner. In the next video we will discuss about the different types of fast bowling. Thank you friends. Very much for the wish you very much an healthy future ahead. Thank you friends. Further, we can find the details about the different type of spin bowling in cricket. What are the bowling positions? Spin bowler mainly are of four categories: right arm leg break, right arm off break, left arm Chinaman, and left arm orthodox. As we have already explained about this, now fully explained by this theory. What is a right arm leg spin bowler? Before we begin, I want to point out that the right arm leg spin bowler can also be referred to as right arm wrist spinner or right arm leg spinner. All these are the terms refer to the same type of bowler who can use inter them interchangeably. A question here: what is the difference between the leg break and leg spin? Many people does not know the difference between leg break and leg spin. To answer in the same easy way, a leg break is a main type of delivery that this bowler ball, whereas a wrist spin or leg spin is a method that they use to bowl those delivery. From this definition, we can understand that leg break is the main type of bowling, and from there is a substitute of wrist spin or leg spin come from the leg break bowling. As I stated above, a leg break is a stock delivery of the leg break bowler. The direction of the spin for a leg break bowler bowled by a leg break bowler is from leg side to the off side for a right hand batsman, but a right arm leg spin bowler would have been looking to spin the ball away from a right handed batsman body and then spin the ball back into the left hander body. Means that if there is a right handed batsman, then the bowling position will be moved from his body to the outer side. It is called the leg break bowling. Similarly, most of the leg break bowler ball at a speed of 70 to 95 km per hour. What is a right arm off break bowler? Now we can understand by this theory. Right arm off spinner bowler or right arm finger bowler, both are the same types of bowler off spin, but off spinner bowling using his palm, but and the other type of bowler using his finger to bowl the off spin. The off break is the main type of delivery that this bowler ball, and from this come that off spin or finger spin are the method that they use to bowl them. Already we have established about the what are the off break and the simple type of finger tip bowling. All spinner can bowl to this type of bowling speed from 70 to 95 km per hour. Now come to the point of left arm Chinaman bowler. This is the one of the most difficult type of bowling which is bowled by the few types of bowlers only in the world. There are few other names that you should took, like left arm unorthodox and left arm leg spinner, left arm wrist spinner and left arm leg break bowler. Because a Chinaman leg break is being bowled with the left arm, its spin in the opposite direction, which is toward the body of a right-handed batsman and away from a left-handed batsman. This causes more difficulty to the batsman because this type of bowler has different techniques compared to other types of bowler. Most of the delivery come around the speed of 70 to 95 km per hour. What are the left arm orthodox bowler? Left arm orthodox bowler can also be referred to as left arm off break bowler or left arm off spinner and left arm finger spinner. The stock delivery to the left arm orthodox bowler is the off break, except this time because it is bowled by the left hand bowler is turned away from the right handed. This is the main point. It is turned away from the right hand batsman and back towards the left hand batsman, as the position of the batsman is in opposite direction to the left hand batsman, and the speed is approximately 70 to 95 km per hour, as we have noticed to the earlier. These are the types of bowling, and for the further videos we can explain you all the details about different types of other types of bowling for the faster as well as spinner. Thank you friends. Kindly subscribe this channel for more detail. We can make more videos for your knowledge and for better understanding of cricket and all other details also. Thank you friends.